Understanding the phrase, swab your barrel. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into an interesting expression, swab your barrel. This phrase might sound a bit unusual, especially if you're learning English as a second language. So, let's break it down and understand what it really means. Before we understand the phrase metaphorically, it's important to grasp its literal meaning. Swab means to clean or wipe with a large, absorbent material, similar to a mop. A barrel typically refers to a cylindrical container, but in this context, it most likely means the barrel of a gun. Historically, cleaning the barrel of a gun was a necessary maintenance task, often done with a swab to remove residue and prevent malfunction. This literal act is where our phrase originates. In a metaphorical sense, swab your barrel is often used to imply preparing or getting ready for something, especially something challenging or significant. It's akin to saying, brace yourself, or get ready for action. The phrase evokes a sense of preparation and attentiveness, just as a soldier would need to prepare their weapon before use. Now, let's see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. Before a big meeting, I need to swap my barrel and go over the presentation one more time. 2. In sports, the team is swabbing their barrels for the championship match next week. 3. Personal challenges, I'm swabbing my barrel for the tough journey of learning a new language. And that's a wrap on Swab Your Barrel. We hope this video has helped illuminate this unique phrase and its usage in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the cultural and historical contexts that shape them. Keep exploring, and don't forget to swab your barrels for your next English challenge. See you in the next video.